The system suggests a potential signal for NZD-USD. Care to scrutinize?
What's going on, people of the internet? What's going on? I just realized I didn't I should have changed the name of the stream on YouTube as well. Let me see if I can do that. Hang on, it's gonna probably be a little bit jiggerish now. But give me a second. I'm gonna try to fix that as well. Where do I do this? Over here? Okay. So, how is everyone doing today? Monday, the whole week ahead of us. We got plenty of training to
It
do.
appears there's a signal on the horizon for Odyssey. Are you
Nice.
interested?
So, I need to go to YouTube Studio and quickly double check this. That's a lot of light. When when my screen flashes white, it's just like the perfect light condition. I do have some lights, behind the screen and so on, which is great, but I would need to work on that in the future to make it a little bit better. I like the way it's warm, the temperature is good, but I think it could do even better. So, live, it's taking so long. It's like, okay. So, let me change the name of it, and then let me add a thumbnail, and we are good to go. All right. There we go. Let me just add let me just add quickly some settings over here. And this is this one. Okay. So it should be all good. Now let's just save it. Okay. Cool. Seems like it's all good. Last things last, I need to double check that the stream is running, so I'll just check on my phone. Hang on a second, I'll be right away. Sorry, it's been, 4 days since I last streamed, so I need to remind myself how it's done. I'm just joking. I really need a haircut. I just need it so hard. It's like, I gotta go this week for sure, because it's just too big now. Okay, everybody, so what's going on? What's cooking? So what do we have here? Last week we have been trading kind of furiously with the AI, and let me tell you, it wasn't the best thing ever. Let me bring up the camera here because it's already working, and for here we will put the results here. So we are quite down. Let me go through what you can see here. So we have been trading Swiss franc, and I decided that I will just not obey. Again, my camera froze. What's wrong with it? I have no clue. Okay, let me restart it. Let me restart it. It's been last stream, it was actually quite the same. It's like camera just shut down for whatever reason and I couldn't get it working again. Okay, hang on guys. I have to switch this off, on and off, I guess. I don't know why that happens. It's just maybe the computer is not, fast enough. I want to do trading. I don't want to do technical stuff here. You know what I'm talking about. Hey, Cassie. Hey, hi there. Awesome. Okay, seems like the camera is back in the town. Okay, let me try to adjust it a little bit, and should be all good now again. Okay. All right. So yeah, it seems like it's running again. Let me just adjust it a little bit. Okay, good.
A signal seems to be forming for hashtag AAPL.
Yeah, I actually touched.
Care to explore further?
I got a little towel here, microfiber. We just cleaned the camera real quick. Seems I have put some dirt on it. All right, good. That's way better. Okay. Anyways, so what happened? I disobeyed the AI stop losses. She told me. I was like, let's go full blown with this. So we were trading the Swiss franc here.
I am loading USD CHF for you.
I can see it here in my
What would you like to
Let me
discuss?
show you what was the plan we had. So Swiss franc, and we were trading from around here, from around this position. So the AI gave us a sell signal over here with a stop loss somewhere around, I do believe, here. Then I decided to put another one over here.
It seems we've got a potential signal on our hands for hashtag GOOG.
I do believe it was just my intention.
Interested in checking it out?
As you can see, it just went against us. Then we had a chance here to opt out with a little bit of gain, because between those two trades we had a chance to negate each other. But I wasn't by the trading platform. I was not logged in MetaTrader by the time, so I couldn't proceed. And today we hit stop loss, which I put by myself in this area, in this zone. And as you can see, let me look up into the history here. It was really, really bad. So we are actually right now down 220. And those trades are, it's this one and this one, those two trades. So that really hit me. Like, I'm trying here to show you people how you should be able to, use the AI to your advantage. And then when I stream, I don't actually listen to what it says sometimes. And since I'm disobeying the rules, you can see how bad consequences could have. Because, if we would take the stop loss over here, of course we would be in a little bit of loss, but it would be like $5, maybe $6, something like that. Not 92, not 82. And same applies to the Canadian dollar here, I believe. And we also had a long time ago, it's like 2-3 weeks now, this British pound, again, my own stop loss. So with that, we will try to obey the stop losses a little bit more than, of course, if it's gonna give us really tight stop losses, we will think about if we really want to open the trades at all. But we will definitely have to work on that, because the AI is here to help us. And if you don't follow it, and if you don't, play with it along, you are getting some really bad trades. And it's always just my mistake, It's just like, I was expecting the Swiss franc to go down. I was like, yeah, it's gonna actually recover. And when it started here, I was like, yeah, that's it. It's coming. It will actually get all the way down to this support zone, which was marked by this one huge pip. But no, it didn't happen. Also, I've got some updates in my sleeve. I've been working on some technical parts. Again, I will update the charts with Supertrend, and there will be more functions on the mobile view, which is also good. So you can have it on your phone, and you can also see the chart on your phone, which is not a part of it yet now, but it will be soon. This week I will definitely release the update. So what do we have here? We've got the Swiss franc. So what's cooking? Let's switch to signals. And do you see any trading opportunity in this one? Casey, I would like to analyze British pound Japanese, but we don't have it in the ticker yet. I should probably, think about expanding the ticker as well, because it's about time that we add some more stuff in there.
As an assistant, I can provide you with information to help you make an informed decision. Based on the 1-hour data provided, the USD CHF pair seems to be trading within a range between the support level at 0.87582 and the resistance level at 0.87941. If you're looking for a potential trading opportunity, you could consider the following strategies. 1. Range trading. Since the price is currently within a range, you can look for opportunities to buy near the 2 and sell near the resistance level at 0.87941.
Today is a really
it's essential to wait for
There we go. Finally, I have it in my earbuds. Cool. So what did the AI give us here?
If the price decisively breaks above
Versus trading within a range of 758. That's around here. Let me just mark this 758 so we kind of know what we're talking about. To 7941. 7941. So it'll be this zone basically. Okay. This price is kind of in a range. You can look for opportunities buying near the support level. So yeah, okay. And sell near. So the AI is suggesting that it will be in a range now. Sounds good. Sounds good. So okay, I have enabled some crypto here. Let me disable this, sorry. Not that I don't want to do any crypto, but I will, you know, prepare probably some kind of a different trading session where I do just crypto and not, you know, Forex and stuff. So let's dial that in. So the AI is suggesting that it should bounce back and we should get some trades going from the resistance here. So let's prepare a buy in this area, 8760. 8760, 8760, 8760. So it'll be somewhere around here. Let's go with the buy. See if that really helps to open any position in here. Hopefully, yes. All right, so what's next? Let's go to another one. What do we see in the euro dollar? I don't know how about your place, guys, but here it's absolutely ultra hot. Like I haven't experienced this heat throughout the whole summer yet. It's like I'm dying in here. You know, I got my AC here, but I paused it for a second because it just didn't feel right, because it was just the temperature difference was too high. And yeah, so I'm feeling really tired of the heat. It's just crazy. Hey, good morning, JJ. Prepare a trading plan for us. Let's go. So what I want to do is get back to the old good trading we had with the AI, you know, where we were following most of the things the AI gave us, and it was actually working quite well. We were making like 2%, 2% a day. It was crazy good.
Analysis of 5-minute data. The RSI, relative strength.
I'll today probably not be here for long because I've got some stuff to do later, and it's just like already 7 Mondays. I hope that where you live, it's, you know, the weather is kind of better. The weather is kind of better. What a rhyme. So what do we have with the AI? Oh, I'm also thinking, like, would you like a feature that, like, if the AI is talking and you click into the chat window, it would just, you know, immediately get the answer for you and you wouldn't have to wait for... I think that would be a good addition to all of this. You know, because I think sometimes we just don't want to wait. We already have the information, and the AI is kind of giving us more and more data that we don't necessarily need. So I think we could get rid of that by clicking on the message. We could, you know, get an immediate push. So what do we have here? Indicating bullish sentiment. Okay, suggesting bullish indicating upward momentum. It all sounds good. Considering long position if the price of this level, 31.30. So the AI is suggesting let's go for a bullish run. But the take profit doesn't fit because it's a little bit lower. So let's have a look. Let's have a deeper look. So we are just sitting at the moving average of 200. What if we prepare like a trading scenario from a little bit bottom here? What if we prepare a trading scenario that would allow us to dip a little bit more, for example, to 1.09 to 46, and then start a trade from there, the long position? What do you think? Yeah, JJ, the AI is quite chatty. You can you can definitely, you know, spare some time with her. So let's go. Do you think we'll get the answer? Seems like we do.
As an assistant, I can provide you.
There seems to be a little technical or cosmetic bug when signals arrive before the response is given.
Should not be considered as financial advice.
It seems like it's not doing anything.
5 minute and 1
but it
hour
actually
data
does.
you provided, it appears that the EUR-USD pair has been consolidating within a range. The RSI, Relative Strength Index.
So it would be like, yeah, so let's prepare as the I said before. So we would go for buy if it breaks above 331. Our dollar, 331. So we put it like here. Okay, trading, buy stop. Let's go. Let's go. And we got some signals here. Let's go. Let's go with the AUD-SD.
Sure, Philip. Based on the current data, it appears that AUD-USD is in an uptrend on the 5 minute and 1 hour timeframes. However, please note that as an assistant, I cannot provide financial advice, but I can offer information and suggest potential scenarios. Considering the uptrend, a possible scenario could be to enter a long buy trade at the current market price, which is around 0.64958.
We are
for this
on.
It appears there's a signal on the horizon.
And what's the take profit and stop loss?
Are you interested?
So profit would be 5030. 5030. That's a little bit high, but okay. And stop loss would be 921. 921. 21. And because of the spread, I'm gonna put it here to compensate for the spread. So we'll see about that. Okay, good. Signal. Euro dollar. Let's go.
I'm moving back to EUR-US.
Let's see what the signal can bring us. Oh, it's actually dipping. We should definitely go for buy here. I think like it's a good idea. Although the question begs like, what's gonna be the baseline here, right?
The EUR-USD pair is currently in an uptrend. The price has been making higher highs and higher lows.
And just to give you in perspective what's going to be in the update, we will have a super trend here, which is, I think, very, very, very famous and very popular trending tool. As you can see, it actually works based on the ATR, average true range, and it kind of shows you the immediate breakthrough zones, basically. So like a support zone over here or resistance over here. And as you can see, it actually changes when it's breaking above or when it's broken above or broken below. And yeah, so yeah, all right. So the AI, what is it suggesting? Before we proceed in transparency, of course, given the uptrend, one possible scenario would be break above. Yeah, she's keeping the good here. As for the stop loss, reasonable placement could be below the support level 2021. Yeah, which is ticked over here. So let's wait if we get into this level. And if we do, we will then maybe opt in for another buy here. Yeah. Okay, and then we had also another signal for something. No, that was it. I think it was the Swiss franc, but we already have it open. So what about British pound? Let's go. Do you think there is a trading opportunity right now? And if so, what do you suggest?
The GBP USD pair is currently trading around 1.26956, which is near the pivot point, PP, level of 1.26974. If you are considering a long position, you may want to wait for a break above the resistance level.
Okay, so you got two scenarios here, break above or break below. Let's do it. Let's do the break above first. That would be 27,043, 27,443, 27,043. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. A little bit higher because of the spread again. You know, you gotta count with the spread because the AI doesn't know your spread because every broker has different spreads and you can be trading in different modes. There is modes without spreads and you pay higher commissions and so on. So it would be foolish to integrate the spread into the AI. It actually does have some like weight average spread, but that's about it. So we buy here. We do have a buy stop, and then on the other hand, if you short position, you wait for break below 26,905, which is down here. So we'll do a little bit again because of the spread, and that sounds good. Sounds good. We've got two plans coming up, and then we've got potential signal for gold. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the gold.
Based on the current trend in gold, it appears that there may be an opportunity to open a trade. Please note that I cannot provide financial advice, but I can offer you some information to help you make an informed decision. Looking at the 5-minute chart, gold has been trading within a range between 1,912.140 and
suggesting a potential bullish move in terms of Fibonacci level. Based on this information, if you believe that you could consider positive entry price above the resistance level, which is a little bit higher over here, and take profit could be okay. Let's give it a shot. What do we say? Let's give it a shot. So that's gonna be gold. Let me pull this up. Gold. And so the entry would be somewhere around here. Buy stop, and then we have take profit 581. And the stop loss would be 11. All right. Okay, it's set. Good. We've got another incoming signal for Tesla. Let's have a look. I have no idea what our stock's doing right now. I followed only until Thursday, and then still a little bit of dip here. Same for Nvidia, right? So where is Nvidia? Just double check Nvidia. There we go. So I was actually, I think maybe it was on the stream. Oh, by the way, who haven't seen it yet, we were invited into Trading Cast, which was awesome. Thank you again, guys, for having us. And the episode is live. It's on their main channel here, so you can definitely go ahead and watch it if you haven't, or just listen to it on your headphones while you go walk or jog or anything. It was great. We were talking about different aspects of the AI, how it works. Plenty of things. What's the future for AI? Will we, ever get to a point where we don't have to work anymore, and so on? It was actually really great, and I can't wait to have another one with you guys from TradingView someday in the future. That would be so cool. And we were also talking about the Nvidia. Actually, you know what? I think it was on Friday. Some of the guys, I went to grab a couple of beers, with my friends, and somebody asked me about Nvidia stock, and we were doing the analysis on my phone with Market Mentor with the AI, and the AI actually told us. I remember that now it seems that there is a buying chance, and we were sitting in this, probably in this place on Friday, but it got a little bit dipped, and now we are flying again, which is great. So let's have a look at the British pound signal here. We're getting a plus on the AUD/USD. It's good.
E is in an uptrend. However, it's important to note that I cannot provide financial advice. I can share some information with you to help you make an informed decision. If you believe the trend will continue, you may consider opening a long buy position. The current price is 1.26955. You could potentially set a take profit level at the resistance level of 1.27085, which is the R2 Fibonacci level. Additionally, you may set a stop loss level at the support level of 1.26863, which is the S2 Fibonacci level. Please keep in mind that market conditions can change rapidly, and it's crucial to perform your own analysis and consider any additional factors before making a trading decision. Let me know if you need any further assistance or have any other questions.
863 and calculated the okay, so the AI is suggesting to open a buy now. We did it. And we put a stop loss and take profit as the AI told us. So we've got one waiting position somewhere around here. Now we have another position over here with take profits around here and stop losses. Let me see, it's just below this. So stop losses around here, or at least for the open one right now. That's good. How is the AUD/USD going? So that sounds good. Let's see how it evolves. I'm gonna put it on autopilot here, and I'll come back in a couple of minutes. I need to grab a cold drink, like a cold coffee. I need to toss some ice cubes into my coffee because it's unbelievably hot here. All right, guys.
The system indicates a signal for AUD/USD. Ready for a closer look?
So what's cooking, ladies and gentlemen? How is it going? It looks good. Looks good. A little bit of plus. So this is the British pound. We entered over here, and then we have the how does the Australian dollar look like? Can we jump back to it?
Loading Otis D. What would you like
I
to
see.
discuss?
And we've got the take profit. I suggested somewhere over here, and we started over here. So okay, both are evolving pretty good, I guess. Although the question is it gonna break through this barrier over here? Maybe we should, hop off in this zone when we get there.
I'm moving back to GBP USD. How may I assist you?
But yeah, we're getting some gains here. That's good. That's awesome. So how is everyone doing? How's your day? Good? Let me know in the comments. So I got coffee with 5 ice cubes. What a cold brew. So let's switch to 1 minute. Take a look what we're having here. What kind of fun are we going through? Is there any capable? That's great, JJ. Great to hear that. Seems like there is this trend line, but you know how it goes on 1 minute. You don't want to put too much hopes in those lines. What about the Australian dollar? Let's double check on that too.
I'm moving back to AUD USD. How may I assist you?
The situation here is a little bit different. Seems like we get something like this going on. Is it extending somewhere else? Could be like this, Let you add a market cipher indicator on your chart. Let me look that up if it's here, because honestly, I think I haven't heard about it. Maybe used it. Market cipher indicator. Cipher. Is it with Y or I? Cipher. It doesn't seem to show up here. It only allowed use basic indicators though. Yeah, that's true. I can load custom indicators into it. It's definitely a possibility, but I just need to know which one it is exactly. So after we are finished with the stream, I'll take a look into TradingView on my charts, and I'll have a look. What does it do though? Market ciphers indicator. What does it do? How does it work? What days do you suggest trading? Monday to Friday or Monday to Thursday?
Want to examine it?
I usually don't like Mondays and Fridays, because Mondays the markets are slowly building up, right? Because you don't have open markets in the United States until, for example, for me it's already evening here, and same applies to Friday. They start closing earlier a little bit because of Asia being ahead of us of time. So I like to trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday mostly, because I think it's like everything is open. But it applies for the Forex. For example, crypto. If you trade crypto, you can just go all day, all night long. It's 24/7. There is no rules to be followed, basically. So, but if you trade Forex, I would suggest Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday mostly. It's in the community scripts. Okay, I'll have a look. And do you have an idea what does it do? I just want to have some basic knowledge. Like, since I can't pull it over here, just kind of give me a perspective. What does it do?
Moving back to GB.
This is just sitting. Look at it. It's just like doing nothing. What's this movement? 30 points. Okay, in British pound where we get thousands. Beat me to it. Yeah. Wumanchu, Cypher A, and Wumanchu, how do I even read that? Wumanchu, Cypher B? I have no idea, man, what are you talking about? I've never used those. I am not familiar with this. So, introduce me if you know how it works. I would love to be enlightened, and maybe it makes sense to add it to it if it's really good. But I think Supertrend is also pretty awesome, and I think it gets the job done. So as you can see, the imminent breakthrough line is sitting over here, so that will be our last hope to get out. Yeah, I suppose that's it. I hope you can add it on the AI chart. Yeah, I'll think about it. I will have a look, kind of get a little bit more knowledge, and then I'll think about it. But thanks for pointing this out, man. But this indicates still a bullish round. So we will see. What else do we have placed there? We've got Eurodollar placed. In the position we have one buy stop. One buy stop at position 26. 26, that would be... sorry, I'm looking at incorrect numbers. 705, sorry. 705. Nope. 338. I was just overlooking the rows. 338. So we should be getting a long position if it breaks somewhere around here. Then we got two more British pounds, gold also, and Swiss franc. So Swiss franc, we have
ready to return to USD
buy limit.
Just let me know what would you like.
Yeah, we put the buy limit over here, right? Yes. Yeah. Should have known better that it's already flying out, but better safe than sorry, I guess. And then we've got the gold, and gold is, let's have a look.
I'm moving back to gold.
Rising up. So there is a chance that we will hit the price tag.
Hello, Philip. Based on the 5-minute data, it looks like there has been a slight uptrend in gold. The RSI indicator is showing
yeah, man.
value of 55.
Take care of your kids, and thanks for coming by. Absolutely. I will check it out, definitely. So what do you think, guys? Should we just leave it open with we've got pretty good stop losses and take profits set on. And I think we are good to go. I just need to take care of those empty stop losses and take profits. I'll probably just delete those. And we will go with what we have. Yeah, so today's stream is going to be just a little bit short. I wanted to talk about the AI, how it can help you mitigate risk, which is really good. And if you follow stop losses and guidelines of the AI, you can really be ahead of the game and not end up in a situation like I did, where I didn't follow anything and I just got those extreme trades just beating me up. So that was my mistake. So that's definitely a good thing to follow up the AI to give you some kind of perspective where to put your stop losses and not to get broke. So, and second, I wanted to trade a little bit, but the markets are slow now, so I'll probably just leave those trades. I'll remove those ones without stop losses and take profits. We'll leave the gold as well sitting over here. This is prepared, so we got it running. And we set it as the AI told us, implementing our spreads into it. I think it's gonna do good. We will see. I'll leave it here. We will see it tomorrow if it brings or rings or falls down or whatever it does. Let's see. Yep. I don't know. Yeah, the Australian dollar looks to me a little bit better. The upward momentum, bullish ride, is still there. It's present, even though there is a little bit of getting lower and lower and lower. But I think it's okay. And we definitely have to do the streams more often around lunchtime, because the markets are then more lively and we can get way more out of it. Those night sessions are not the best ones to go for those. Okay, guys, thanks for coming. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I'll leave the trades on. We'll see how they operate. Pretty good. I like it. It looks good. Looks all right. Look at it go now. It just turned to green. Nice. It will probably be take profit by tomorrow. So I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming by again. I'll leave it here for a second in autopilot before I go. I just put a comment in the stream. I'm looking at how we're sitting in plus right now. Let's take a look at the British pound again. I hope we will get to this level. You think I should keep it? I think it's good. I don't think it's necessarily a bad decision. Although there could be a pretty acid correction. You know, the reaction could be like it's gonna turn around rather quick and go back to the moving averages. Let me have a look at the 1 minute chart. It's funny how in the minute chart it just broke through the immediate support, immediate resistance level on the super trend, but it's not doing us a favor. Looking at the 5 minute, this is the it seems like the observation here is there is definitely some shenanigans coming up. Not like this one, this is too steep. Maybe this one could be a fly out from this local dip and then just a pump. No idea. All right, guys. I'm really leaving now. I'll leave it autopilot for a while and then I'll end it. So take care.